Build a strong presence. To generate income on Facebook, you need to have a strong presence on the platform. This means creating a professional and engaging profile, regularly posting content that your followers will find interesting and useful, and actively engaging with your followers. Find your niche. Identify your area of expertise and focus on creating content that appeals to your target audience. This could be anything from cooking and fitness to business and finance. Monetize your content. There are several ways to monetize your content on Facebook, including affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling products or services directly to your followers. Leverage Facebook ads. Facebook ads can be a powerful tool for generating income on the platform. By creating targeted ads that reach your ideal audience, you can drive traffic to your website or products and increase your revenue. Build your email list. Building an email list is a great way to generate income on Facebook. By offering a free resource or incentive to your followers in exchange for their email address, you can build a list of potential customers to market to in the future.